Good morning, guys. A blessed Sunday to all. Today is October 6, 2024. Ito yung order sa atin ni Sir Tans ng taga-Payatas. Ano po? So, order niya ay dalawang Adams Premium Wine Bugnay. So, ating bestseller na wine. Napaka-delicious at maraming health benefits. Kaya ito ay binabalik-balikan ng ating mga customers katulad ni Sir Tans ng Payatas, Quezon City. So kung gusto nyo po nito ng Bugnay Premium Wine ay just comment down below and we will deliver your order po immediately. So yun lamang po. A blessed Sunday to all and bye-bye sa ating lahat.